Hello Internet, welcome to Free Ringtones. Oh, did you hear that click? That, my darlings, was my arm. You can join my YouTube today for a bit of keep fit. We're doing some isometric training, so it'd be great to see you over there. Because I spend so much time in the studio, so much time bent over a computer, I'm working out whole new ways of sitting or standing and looking at a computer. So I've got some really, really great tips for musician health over on my YouTube today. I'm really, really excited because I've been doing this special program for about 5 days and it's really improved all the aches and pains that you get from, when you've done like a 12-hour shift in the music studio and you're so stiff and you've probably lost 5 pounds in weight. We get like that, don't we, when we're really, really working on something new. So I knew I wasn't going to stop doing music, and I knew I wasn't going to change my life in terms of my creative output. But I'm very aware that technology is meaning increasingly that we have to get some sort of exercise or stretching or resting and all that stuff. So my new YouTube show will be doing just that, health for musicians. Pop along there, Telltale Club, have a look, see what I do. I've got loads of channels on there. We also just launched a kids show, which is really nice, really, really lovely. I don't know if musicians and kids shows overlap particularly well on the internet, but we've all got kids, haven't we? Most of us have kids. Well, mine are all grown up, but I've got grandkids now. So I'm really inspired by that. So when you create something musical, because there's lots of music featured in my kids shows, it's really good to imagine that you're talking to your grandchild or something along those lines. Imagine that you're presenting your piece to your ideal audience persona. Do you see what I mean? So these loops, I sort of have an idea of who's using them, who's downloading them. I mean, to be honest, I think a lot of it's probably robots, isn't it? Let's be honest. When you offer something free on the internet, it's going to get snapped up by a robot. So that's the sort of side rather. But it doesn't mean that at the end of the line there isn't a perfect human being consuming your work. So eventually, hopefully, human beings get to hear your stuff. Anyway, I'll stop waffling and give you the first of a couple of really, really nice loops that I've done for you today. I'm still going with the dance thing. I'm really liking the dance thing and the double drums. This is a male and female loop, and it's just perfect actually for giving a bit of texture and a little bit of added. It's kind of fun, I suppose, isn't it? You want to give your listener something exciting to hear, orally stimulating. Should we say that? Okay. Pretty good, I thought. So join me over on my YouTube channel every day this week, every day forever, every day for the rest of your life. Now, if you don't want to download them from the podcast, you can download these directly from the YouTube channel. Might be a bit easier depending on where you're ripping things from. Okay, fare you well. Come back in like 2 minutes for the next one.